tenses, all that you have to remember is 1, 2, 3. Present, past, future. That's all. But totally, if you look at from these basic tenses, present, past and future, you have branches. Maybe this is the trunk. Okay, the trunk of the tree. And from the trunk of the tree, you have 12 branches. Okay, which is like 12 tenses. So from present, past and future, you have continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. Okay, and you have sub-classifications. We will see that. Okay, we will see that later. I just want you to know, as of now, I just want you to remember the three basic tenses, present, past and future. So when I tell you present, past and future, so right now we will take a be verb. Okay, let us take a be verb. Under be verb, I want you to focus your attention on the column which says subject. Okay, you have the column which says subject. The column says present tense, past tense and future tense. You will not get your grammar wrong if you are very clear about what goes into which tense. Believe me, when I'm talking to you right now, it might seem all simple. But when you write, this is exactly where you make mistakes. So let us first focus on the subject. Okay, what are the subjects? In my every training program, I ask people, since I assume that you've already done you've gone through your parts of speech and you know what is pronoun. So we say noun is connected to your head, pronoun is connected to your forehead. Okay, so pronoun வந்து நெத்தியோட related. தலைக்கும் நெத்திக்கும் ஒரு direct connection இருக்கு. What is a pronoun? A word that you use instead of a noun is called a pronoun. So I just want you to remember I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For our complete grammar lessons, I will only take up these pronouns. So you should know them in the same order. Don't mix up the order. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, remember them in the same order. So when you remember them in the same order, you have to understand you are using I, we, you, they, he, she, it instead of using names. Noun means names, correct? And pronoun is used instead of noun. So instead of using names, okay, you say I. Instead of using name, I, okay, Vanita, I. Okay, we, Vanita and Meena. Okay, we is nanu irukken. So I will say Teresa and Meena, we. Teresa and Meena, we. I, Teresa. Teresa and Meena, we. You is anybody that is before me. Now you for me are the students sitting before me. Okay, and for you, and I want you to understand one very interesting thing under you. I am I, okay, and one more person with me, one or two more people with me is we. Okay, and people who are sitting before you, I address you as you. Okay, and you will address me as you. Correct? So for me, you is plural. So many people are sitting before me. And for you, you is singular because only I am sitting before you. So I want you to understand you can be singular and you can be plural. Okay? Okay. Next you have they. Okay. For you, for me, you are they. Okay. I will say they are good students. Okay. They are good students. But if I look at you individually, roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, I would say he, she. Okay. So now if I'm talking about the mobile that you are using, and if you talk about the mobile that I am using or the laptop that I am using, you would say it. Now you understand? Before moving into the tenses, we have to get our foundation very strong with the subject. Because subject plus verb is what forms the proper construction. So is that very clear for you? Whatever I'm telling you under subject, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Now I want you to understand one more thing. I and we. I and we, it's talking about me. Okay, about each one of us. So that is called the first person. You is the second person. For me, you are the second person, and for you, I am the second person. And they, he, she, it are the third persons. Okay, this much I want you to know before I show you the tenses. Okay, now with the subject I in the present tense, you always have I am. I am a teacher. Past tense is I was a teacher, and future tense is I will be or I shall be a teacher. So present tense, past tense, future tense. With we always have are. We are students. We were students. We will be, shall be, shall be will come only with first person. First person. நம்மளோட லைஃப்லயே எவ்வளோ பீப்புளை நம்ம மீட் பண்றோம்ல, அதுல ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமானவங்க யார் தெரியுமா? நம்ம தான். அவங்களுக்கு அவங்க தான் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதனால இந்த ப்ரோனவுன் கடியில ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சன், செகண்ட் பர்சன், தேர்ட் பர்சன் படிக்கும்போது ஐ வாண்ட் யூ டு நோ யூ ஆர் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சன். ஐ வி டினோட்ஸ் யூ. நீங்க யார் பக்கத்துலயாவது போய் தோல்ல கை போட்டீங்கன்னா அது வியா மாறிடுது. கரெக்டா? So I and we is first person. I want you to remember that. Okay, the person who is standing before you and talking to you is you. Okay, டைரக்டா என் முன்னாடி இருக்காங்க, அதனால தான் அது செகண்ட் பர்சன். நான் டைரக்டா உங்க முன்னாடி இருக்கேன், நீங்க டைரக்டா என் முன்னாடி இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ அதுதான் செகண்ட் பர்சன். இந்த தே ஹீ ஷி இட் வந்து டைரக்டாவும் இருக்கலாம், இன்டைரக்டாவும் இருக்கலாம். மோஸ்டா வந்து அவங்க அந்த இடத்துல பிரசன்டா இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. மூணாவது மனுஷங்கன்னு சொல்றோம்ல. ஏன்னா இப்போ சப்போஸ் ஐம் டாக்கிங் டு யூ அபவுட் யுவர் பேரண்ட்ஸ் நீட் நாட் பி பிரசன்ட் ஹியர். தட் இஸ் த ரீசன் ஐ சே he, அப்பா. How is he? How is she? How is amma? How is it your pet? Okay, அப்ப எல்லாரையும் சேர்த்து போடும்போது I say how are they? So this is first person, second person and third person that I want you to know. So first person la varra present tense enna appadinu sonna I am. Very unique. I am. The past tense is I was. We are. Past tense is we were or we will be, shall be. So first person oda matram da shall be ingra vishayam varum. You will not use it with second person or third person. I'm making myself very clear, I believe. So next வந்து we oda what present tense auxiliary verb we use is are. We are. Past tense is we were, will be, shall be. Next second person, you are present tense. So I want all your focus to go to the tenses. So I can ask you a tricky question, you will mess up everything. So one thing that you cannot mess up, I don't want you to mess up, is learn to write this diagram, draw this diagram as many times as possible, so that this diagram will empower you. Or 5 times, 6 times in the diagram is strong writing. Now when you're writing long sentences, big paragraphs, you will not make a mistake. Okay, so with the second person you, we have you are, you were and you will be. அவ்வளவுதான். shall be அங்க வராது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து they are, they were, they will be. Okay, next you have he is, past tense is was. He was, he will be. She is, she was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. Now if I'm going to ask you a question I'm going to test you and I'm going to ask you, what are the first person, okay, what are the first person auxiliary verbs? Okay, what are the first person auxiliary verbs? Then you have to tell me am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. Okay, what are the second person be auxiliary verbs? Please keep in mind, what diagram are we doing right now? We are doing be verb, be. In the complete box க்கு பேர் என்னது? be verb. Okay, so if I ask you what are the second person auxiliary verbs, you should be able to tell me you the second person. So the auxiliary verbs are, were, will be. So I ask you, which is the third person plural auxiliary verb? Very important. Which is the third person plural? You know, they, he, she, it are third person. நமக்கு தெரியும் they, he, she, it எல்லாமே third person. அதுல நமக்கு தெரிய வேண்டிய ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், they வந்து third person plural. ஏன்னா அதுக்குள்ள என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு? he, she, it எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து போட்டாதான் you get they. Okay, so if I ask you a question, what are the auxiliary verbs that come with third person plural, then I'm talking about they. Okay, so tell me what are the third person singular அப்படின்னு நான் கேட்டேன்னா it is a special group. Okay, he, she, it is third person singular. He is, she is, it is. Okay, நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Third person singular is a special group. அதோட rules கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமா இருக்கும். I'll just show that to you. Okay, so he, she, it is third person singular. So how do you have it? He is, she is, it is. He was, she was, it was. And what do you have in the future tense? He will be, she will be, and it will be. I think this box is very, very clear.